My grandmother never complained about knee pain, and this was her best-kept secret. Today, we're making healing bay leaf oil. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing a recipe that's been in my family for years. First, take 7 bay leaves. Use a pair of scissors to chop them up finely. Bay leaves have been with us for centuries. They are more than just a kitchen spice. They are a powerful natural remedy and a secret for beauty. They are packed with essential oils, antioxidants, vitamins A and C, and minerals that reduce inflammation. It's amazing for your skin, joints, and hair. And you can even use it as a regular massage oil. Honestly, it's just pure magic in a jar. Bay leaves contain eugenol, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It acts like a natural pain reliever for your knees and back. For the skin, it's a true youth elixir. It helps fight fine lines and evens out your skin tone. By the way, if you enjoy these tips, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss our next recipe. Transfer the chopped bay leaves into a clean jar. Friends, I have many other interesting videos using bay leaves on my channel. I'll leave the links to those in the description below. Also, I'd love for you to join my Telegram channel and become part of our friendly family. Let's chat about everything together. I'm also going to need some cloves, just 1 tablespoon. We've talked a lot about cloves before, and for a good reason. They are incredibly beneficial. Cloves are packed with antioxidants and have strong antimicrobial properties. They help stimulate blood circulation, which is a game changer for hair growth and soothing aching joints. The cloves to the jar. Next, we'll need 4 cloves of garlic. Peel them and slice them up. Honestly, I could talk about garlic forever. I absolutely love it for its medicinal power. Garlic is a natural powerhouse. It's rich in allicin, which provides strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. When used in this oil, it acts like a biological stimulant for your hair, deeply nourishing the scalp and preventing hair loss. For your joints, it's a miracle worker that helps reduce swelling and improve mobility. It's not just a kitchen staple, it's nature's own medicine. By the way, did you know that eating just 1 clove of raw garlic a day can work wonders for your body? It's one of the best ways to boost your immune system and lower bad cholesterol. It also helps regulate blood pressure and detoxify your system. It's like a tiny natural shield for your heart. Slice the garlic and add it to the jar. While I'm doing this, please let me know in the comments where you are watching from. I truly love reading your messages. They warm my soul, especially when you share how much my recipes help you. I'll never get tired of saying this. I have the most wonderful followers from all over the world. Thank you so much for being here with me. Now add the sliced garlic to the jar and pour in 150 milliliters. That's about 5 ounces of olive oil. Olive oil works as the perfect carrier oil because it's incredibly rich in vitamin E and fatty acids. It deeply moisturizes the skin, acts as a powerful antioxidant, and helps all the beneficial properties of the bay leaves, garlic, and cloves penetrate deeper into your hair follicles and joints. Mix all the ingredients together thoroughly, and let's move on to the next step. Take a small pot and line the bottom with a kitchen towel. Then carefully place your jar of oil inside. Now pour water into the pot until it covers most of the jar. Be careful, do not add any water inside the jar with the oil. This is a water bath method. Once the water starts boiling, turn the heat down and let the oil simmer on low for 20 minutes. This slow heating process helps the oil absorb all the healing properties of our ingredients. Let me tell you a bit more about why we use a water bath. This method is essential for delicate oils like olive oil. When we heat the jar in water, it prevents the oil from overheating or burning, which would destroy all those precious vitamins and enzymes. The water acts as a gentle heat buffer, maintaining a steady temperature. This allows the bay leaves, garlic, and cloves to slowly release their essential oils and healing compounds into the base oil without losing their potency. It's the best way to create a truly concentrated medicine at home. Once the heating is done, let the oil cool down and then strain it carefully. Just take a moment to enjoy this incredible aroma. It's so herbal and soothing. And look at that beautiful, rich golden color. It looks like real liquid sunlight. After it has cooled completely, transfer it into a clean glass jar or a dark bottle. To make the oil even more potent, you can leave it for another 24 hours in a dark place before your first use. This allows the molecules to fully stabilize, giving you a professional-grade herbal treatment right in your own home. This oil is truly multi-purpose. First, for your hair. To boost growth, apply it directly to the roots and give yourself a gentle massage. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then wash your hair with your regular shampoo. You can also use it for varicose veins and joint relief. When applying it to your legs, always move from the bottom up and make sure to rub it well into the joints. It's also amazing for a face, neck, and décolleté massage. It's incredibly nourishing. Store this oil in a cool, dark place and it will stay fresh for up to 6 months. And now let's prepare an incredibly beneficial face mask. Take 7 to 8 bay leaves, break them up, and put them into a coffee grinder or blender. We need to get a fine powder. You might wonder, why is this powder so valuable for your face? Well, let me tell you. This powder acts like a natural Botox. It helps tighten the skin and smooth out fine lines. It's also a powerful antiseptic, making it perfect for fighting acne and cleaning out pores. Plus, it improves blood circulation, giving your face that healthy, youthful glow we all dream of. It's truly a concentrated boost of vitamins and antioxidants for your skin. We'll need 1 tablespoon of our bay leaf powder. Next, add 1 tablespoon of oat flour. You can easily make your own by grinding some oats in a coffee grinder. Oat flour is a real lifesaver for the skin. It acts as a gentle cleanser, deeply moisturizes, and instantly soothes irritation, leaving your face feeling velvety soft. Mix the bay leaf powder and oat flour together. Then add 1½ tablespoons of olive oil. Stir it well until you have a smooth paste and your mask is ready. Apply this mask to your clean face, neck, and décolleté, and give yourself a gentle massage. The olive oil helps the active ingredients penetrate deeper, while the oats and bay leaf work on firming and clearing your skin. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. For the best results, use this mask twice a week. You'll notice your skin becoming tighter, smoother, and glowing with health. It's always best to use this mask immediately while the ingredients are fresh and at their peak potency. However, if you have some leftover, don't let it go to waste. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Just make sure to keep it in a tightly sealed glass container to preserve the moisture. Before using it again, let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes or warm it slightly between your palms. This mask is a natural treasure for your skin, gentle, effective, and completely free of chemicals. Your face will definitely thank you for this organic treat. And our final recipe for today is a soothing bay leaf skin toner. Bring 200 milliliters of water to a boil. Add 7 bay leaves and let them simmer for about 5 minutes. Then remove from the heat and allow it to cool down completely. Once cooled, strain the liquid into a clean glass jar or a spray bottle. Use this toner to wipe your face daily. It's best to apply it in the morning and evening after cleansing. This toner is a miracle for those with oily or acne-prone skin because it tightens pores, reduces redness, and kills bacteria. It also helps to even out your skin tone and gives you a natural, healthy glow without any sticky residue. The tannins found in bay leaves help control excess oil production and firm up the skin. It's also incredibly effective for calming